Hey, this is Dave from A Walk in the Parks, bringing you a virtual room tour of one of Walt Disney World's beloved resorts, the Grand Floridian. The room we'll be exploring today has double queen beds along with a sleeper sofa. We stayed in the Sago Key building on the top floor, which gave us some pretty beautiful high ceilings as a nice added touch. Walking into the building, we're greeted by a beautiful chandelier. Opening up our room for the first time, you'll see it's a little bit on the smaller side. There's certainly room to walk around, but if you had a few people staying in here, it would probably get pretty tight fast. The beds are both queen-sized. We found ours to be very comfortable and got a good night's sleep on them. A sleeper sofa in the corner of the room adds an extra bed if you're really trying to fit some more people in. Across the room, you have a small desk with a pull-out table. We love the added Mickey touch to the back of the desk chair. One of our favorite features of the room was the balcony. Although this was also a little tiny, we had some stunning views of the surrounding resort and the Seven Seas Lagoon. There are 2 plastic deck chairs outside along with a small table. Heading back inside, we'll move over to the bathroom. You'll find double sinks, which we thought was a nice feature for couples. The deep brown and orange marble is unique and beautiful, a very nice touch. Also, something that you won't normally find in a hotel room, there are wooden floors. The bathroom itself is tiny with a toilet and a shower. There is also a shelf on the wall for towels and other bathroom accessories. Back in the main room, there's a nicely sized TV along with an extra room chair. Overall, we enjoyed our stay here a lot. However, we were only a couple of 2, and I could see how trying to fit more people into a room this size might get a bit cramped. Other benefits of the Grand Floridian Resort include having walkway access to the Magic Kingdom and also monorail transportation. The resort itself is beautifully maintained, so make sure to leave yourself plenty of time to explore. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour through a double queen room at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe to keep up to date on our new content. We'll see you in the next one.